Windows leaking water through weep holes clogged with debris can cause a real headache for homeowners trying to keep their place dry and cozy. So first thing you want to do is grab a thin, flexible wire or a special weep hole cleaning tool to gently poke out the gunk blocking the holes. Don't just shove anything sharp in there or you might damage the window frame or seals. Next, rinse the area with some water to wash away loosened dirt and check if the water flows freely through the holes. It's smart to do this cleaning at least twice a year, especially after fall when leaves and stuff can clog up the holes. If your windows have screens, give those a quick clean too, so debris doesn't get trapped around the weep holes. Also, make sure the windowsill is sloped right, so water naturally drains away from your house, preventing pooling near the base. If you notice water still coming inside after cleaning, it might be time to check the window seals or call a pro for a deeper inspection. Keeping these spots clean stops mold and wood rot from sneaking in and causing bigger damage down the line. One of the most common mistakes with windows leaking through weep holes clogged with debris is ignoring regular maintenance, which just lets dirt build up and water back up inside. Fix it by setting reminders every 6 months to clear those holes out. Another issue is using sharp tools that can scratch or break the window frame, so always use something soft and flexible for cleaning. Lastly, some folks forget to check their windowsill slope and drainage system, which is key for directing water away properly. Fix this by adjusting or repairing the sill angle if you spot water pooling near your windows. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle these kinds of window and home repair issues. Plus, it helps contractors find new jobs by matching them with people nearby who need their skills.